Hello, welcome to Nailmas Day 19. Today I am doing a silver and gold glitter gradient because I was thinking about Christmas music and there's that song, the silver and gold. So I wanted to combine the two in one manicure because usually I don't feel like we mix metal colors, but I have found a way to do it and I am absolutely obsessed with it. If you guys watched yesterday's Nailmas video and you paid attention closely, you may have seen a sneak peek because I was actually wearing them in it. So first off, of course, you want to put on your base coat, and then what you need to do is find your perfect perfector shade. So a perfector shade, in my opinion, is sort of like what you would use in a French manicure. It's what is going to be like the good milky neutral color for your skin tone and for your nail bed. And mine happens to be Orly's called Rose Colored Glasses. I absolutely love it. I did 2 to 3 coats depending on the milkiness that I wanted, and that was good for me. Then what I'm doing is I'm going in with a silver holographic glitter topper. This is by Poetry Cowgirl nail polish, and this one is called Diamond Queen. I absolutely love this one. It's like the perfect glitter topper. They're all exactly the same size. They are silver. They have hollow and holo. I don't know what I'm saying. It's just beautiful. Now, she released this last year around this time, and she also released a gold one at the same time, and it is called 24 Karat. You guys have already seen me use this polish many times during this nail mist season, so that is what I'm going to be using on the gold side. As you guys can kind of see, I wanted to keep the bottle in the video frame for this video because I tried to not get too much polish on my brush, but I want a bit more of a concentrated glitter towards the closest to my cuticle, and then as I travel down the nail I want less, so you guys can see that I put the brush back to the bottle and try to wipe off some of the glitter so I don't get too much, but I get enough to pull it down. And I overlap them a teeny tiny bit in the middle, in the silver and gold section, like in the middle part of my nail. And I absolutely love how this manicure came out. These glitters worked so nicely together, and because they were released together, they're like exactly the same size, they're holographic, and they're just the metals. So here is a final look of the design all together. I absolutely love this. It's just like so classy looking, and I feel like it's fun for Christmas, but also would really work for New Year's if you're into New Year's nails, which I think I'm just gonna skip this year. We all know how last year's was. So there is that. I did, of course, wait for it to dry, and I put on a super glossy top coat. I used the Glisten and Glowed top coat today, and it really just sealed it all in, gave no texture, and I just love how this manicure came out. It looks so good, and I did it on both hands, which you guys might have also noticed in yesterday's video, and I should have filmed it. I forgot because somebody requested that I paint both hands on video, and I shall do that again with another glitter gradient because I feel like this is a really doable design for doing on both hands. So that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're enjoying Nailmas in general, and I will talk to y'all very soon.